Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I just joined a new wine club. I searched on the internet to find a wine club that would have a ton of varieties, and I wanted a wine club that had control over the quality of the wines and not just bought overstocks from other companies and relabeled them. And I found Winc. Winc Wine Club owners work directly with all types of vineyards. Their own winemakers crush and make the grapes with the highest of quality. That's what got me excited. It's a monthly subscription with 4 bottles of wine. Check out my first shipment. And it came to my door with a minimal shipping fee. There are no membership fees. You can skip any month and cancel any time. And if you don't like a bottle they'll replace it with a bottle you'll love. No questions asked. I love the style of the box. When I opened the box, I was able to see how much quality went into the packing of the box. Nobody wants a broken bottle. They did a great job of putting those 4 bottles in the box. I took them each out. I recognized the top of a bottle as champagne, so I had to pull that out first. Then I found a Pinot, a Chardonnay, and a Cab. The titles of the wines are exciting. Folly of the Beast. That's a quote from Moby Dick. For there is no folly of the beast of the earth that is not infinitely outdone by the madness of men, or women, as the case may be. Use the link trywinc.com/Rebecca Brand in the description box or in the info card above to get $22 off your first box when you subscribe. This comes out to 4 bottles for just $40. In the summertime, I'm always cooking on the grill. I make a lot of mixed grill so that anybody at my house can have the choice of what they want to eat. So good Chardonnay is a must to go with the chicken. I was thrilled to find a Pacificana Chardonnay in my box. I live in wine country, and these grapes are made from an area really close to where I live in Santa Barbara. I visit vineyards all the time. We are so lucky. These Central Coast vineyards are so scenic. I love touring them and looking down the aisles and seeing the wildlife. The Central Coast is known for the best Chardonnays in California. Little known fact, it's confirmed by a 1962 study coming out of UC Davis. So having a Chardonnay coming from this region was delightful for me, and it shows me the quality of Winc Wine Club. Drinking this Chardonnay is like a trip into those beautiful scenic vineyards. It inspires me to want to plan a getaway again. I was thrilled to see Chop Shop. This is a heavy Cabernet from California. This is perfect for what I grill. I love it with carne asada steaks and pork chops. After all, it is called Chop Shop. California Cabernets are the best in the world in my opinion. As I was investigating Winc Wine Club, I went on their website and I saw the vastness of all the varieties of wine. And I'm a wine connoisseur, I like to think, or at least I want to be. So the research of wine has always been a passion of mine, and looking at their wine website to me was thrilling to see all the different varietals they have and to verify how quality they were sourcing their wines from their own coffers, and how the owners of Winc had gotten great vineyards in the areas best in the world for wines. That's very impressive. One of my favorite parts about this wine club is I get to rate these wines after I drink them. You go into winc.com and you sign in, and then you click the ratings from that drop-down menu. And you use a 5-star system, and you make any notes you want, which is really cool. And this wine club cares about what you like. These are the wines I love. But maybe you like different varietals. Or maybe you don't know much about wine yet because you're beginning your wine journey. They have this really fun flavor profile survey you take. The questions they ask are so much fun, like, how do you like your coffee? I'm a latte girl, as my viewers know. And they talk about citrus to see if you like a citrus note in your wine, and a few more fun questions so they get your first shipment right. In my case, they got it right. And now with every bottle I open, I taste, I go back on that website and tell them what I think of that wine. This is unique in wine clubs because every subsequent shipment is going to be ratcheted up to make you even happier than your first one. And can we just talk price? Their wine clubs start at $13 a bottle. That price is a grocery store wine price, and those wines aren't near the quality of Winc's selections. The reason they can offer those low prices is they cut out the middlemen. They do everything from owning the vineyards to crushing the grapes to bottling them to labeling them. There's no distributors to pay. Do you know the distributor fee for wines is 50% of the price of the wine you're buying? Little known fact, when you buy a wine out of a tasting room, you're still paying a distributor's margin because they insist on that in all their exclusivity agreements with the wineries in order to distribute the wine. Comment on that fact. Did you know that? So I'm getting twice the quality of wine for half the price. Click the link below and get your Winc Wine Club now. And they have a discount and a promotion. You can use my promo code, which is Rebecca Brand, but I also have the link in the description box. You get to receive $22 off your first month, which is equal to 4 bottles of wine for $40. Wow. And have fun easily discovering quality wines at a better price. And let's have some fun together. Let's open up this champagne right here and now. Woo! We're having a party! Oh, but how does it taste? I love it when surprises happen. Delicious. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my new videos. And let's keep having a great time, like in this case, some wine with our great times. Woo! Time to celebrate! Party on!